Alright, so this is an unboxing and review of the KH10 memory card case by Pangshi. I got this the other day, or actually just came in today, and pretty excited to start using the thing. I've got quite a few cards, and it's nice to be able to keep them all in one place. Looking at the back, the KH10, it's got some weight, size, materials. This one can hold 12 micro SD cards, 8 SD cards, and 4 compact flash cards. Some more information there. 24 cards altogether. So open the box gently. Alright. And there she is. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off this thing. Nice strong case. You can tell you could probably smash this thing with a hammer and not ruin it. This is supposed to be fully waterproof, and we're gonna put this thing to the test. Run it out in the snow and water and really see how it does. Alright, let's open the guy up. Got kind of a rubbery interior. Let's try some cards here. I've got an assortment. Oh, micro SD. Looks like it presses in kind of like a rubber grippy. What do we got here? SD card. Just presses in. That's kind of cool. Another one there. It's got the little, if you look close, it's got the outline. It shows you where to put what part so it clicks in properly. I'm going to put a compact flash. How's it go? This direction. Awesome. That's a pretty cool compact little deal to keep all your cards in one place. Or if you're like me, put them all in one place and then lose them. But I need to work on that. That's kind of a personal thing. So yeah, let's put this thing to the test. Let's bring it outside, submerge it in some water, maybe run over it and see how strong and durable the thing is. Alright, there you have it, folks. I have ran over this thing, that's thrown it in the snow, submerged it in water, ran it underwater, thrown it on the ground, and it has just kept on ticking, hasn't broken, and it's remained completely waterproof inside. I would absolutely trust to have all my cards in this thing. They don't flaunt this thing as being super durable on the listing, but they should, because the fact that it's waterproof, that's awesome. But also, I mean, this thing is like, it is strong. It is super strong. So definitely a good way to protect the cards. Thanks for watching.